Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Gucci bag to show you today, and this is one of my favourites. So it's a Gucci velvet GG Marmont, and it's in a gorgeous colour, and I love this stitching on the velvet as well. I think it's got a very kind of Art Deco vibe, especially with that gold GG on the front. So we've got double top handles, and they can also be adjusted. You can pull that through a little bit, and you've got a bit of a longer strap there. On the back, we've got this super cute little stitched heart in that velvet, and then we've got a flat closure, and that has got a little press pin fasten. So you just press that little bit there, and then you can see that pin just pops out of the flat closure. And then inside, we've got all those cards in there. So I'll show you those when I show you what it comes with. But we've got one flat pocket and a really pretty pink satin lining in there. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior good. It still looks beautiful, and this velvet feels so beautiful as well. But there's just a few little marks on it. So you can see along the top here, we've got a little mark, and there's just kind of small marks over that velvet. Only really noticeable is that lighting. So you can see another little one there, and then on the back and on the base. There's the most noticeable mark on the base, I think. So you can see just along those edges where that's marked a little bit. So there's just a few little marks like that on the velvet, and so that's why we've called the exterior good. But it is in a really, really nice condition. And then the interior we've called very good, and that's mostly just for this leather on this flat closure. There's some really small little marks, so you can see a little indent mark there, and just here. But other than that, again, in a pristine condition. That satin lining has no marks on it at all. So in a really nice condition in there. And then the hardware, again, we've called very good. It's meant to have that kind of antique gold, kind of brass looking hardware. So that is all in a really nice condition. But there's just a little bit of scratching on this push pin fasten. So right in the centre, there is a little bit of scratching on there. So that is why I've called the hardware very good. But overall, this is a really gorgeous bag in a gorgeous condition. It comes with, we've got quite a few little cards. So we've got a little Gucci fabric swatch, and then we have 2 large care cards, and then we also have 2 smaller care cards as well. And then we have 2 little Gucci control cards. To store the bag, we've got a Gucci dust bag, as well as the Gucci box and a generic dust bag as well. So the exact measurements for this bag will be in the link in the description below. If you go to that link, it should hopefully take you directly to this bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but it is a beautiful bag. So if you've seen it on our YouTube and you've fallen in love with it, and you get to our website and it's not there anymore, don't worry, you can get on our request list. And it's really easy to do that. All you have to do is send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know how much you love this, and we will get you on that list. And as soon as we get another one, we'll send you through an email with the link. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4", if that's any help. And you can have it with those double top handles and a nice little short under the arm shoulder, and it's just so sweet. I really, really love this colour. Or if you wanted to show it off a little bit more, you can make that strap a bit longer, and then it sits a little bit further down, and you can see that beautiful design. So if you would like to purchase, don't forget to go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through all of our other beautiful Armcandy while on our website. We've got so much beautiful stuff to show you. So make sure you have a browse through there while you're on our website. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on there as well, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through there. And also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous Armcandy.